USA dollar?
Euro.
Euro.
Yeah. So second day. We're already in our car on our way. Starting our old cars tour. Going to Vinales. So excited. Last night after our tour, we went to a restaurant, La Cocinera. It was right next to the art factory.
God, the art too.
Yeah, it was really cool. A little club/art gallery. And there was concerts in there. It was really cool. If you go to Cuba, you should go experience it. We went on a Friday night. It was cool. Our guide told us that Saturday nights also lit. Yeah, we're gonna go find a bank so Paige can get some money and go to Mexico. So we're going to a cave apparently. I don't really know what's going on. Paige is gonna fall.
Can I get a selfie?
These people are all loud, okay? Child, try not to fall. How they got stairs in the cave? Take off my glasses. Gosh, these people are nuts. So there's a little boat that goes through the caves down here. I didn't even know, but that's our next move. So of course when I get on the boat, it rocks all woo, and everybody's like, ah! And I'm like, okay y'all, I know I gained a few pounds, but don't play me like that. They really did, they tried it. Everybody's like, ah! Sorry. But the boat was pretty cool. Like I was like whipping and stuff. Look, these like old cars are nice, but they run like buses. I feel like I'm in the back. I feel like I'm in the front of a school bus. Ugh. I don't know if the roads are rocky or if their suspension on the wheels are just horrible, but you feel every bump. But they're cute though. Just look how green it is. I love it. I don't know where we're going next. He told us what we were doing, but I just wasn't paying attention. I think cigars. So we're gonna go roll some cigars. Like Rick Ross, the MF and Boss. They have a party going on over here for us. Here now, we're gonna go and see some cigar rolling.
Hola. The first thing is that now you are inside the National Park of Vinales. It's a tobacco plantations that is protected and patented by UNESCO. Okay?
Oh yes.
So ladies, look, I'm gonna roll one cigar.
Oh.
Photos, videos, if you want, you can do it. It's on. You don't need the lighter. It's on.
Ah, no? Okay.
No, it's... So give me the leaf. I'm gonna roll one cigar.
Bye.
Ladies, it's big. It's big. Yeah, because he said he never seen big like this.
Dov'è aspetto? Ma mi sa che non si spengono.
So ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready, spaghetti.
Ready.
Leaf us. Aye. So nicotine here. To make one cigars, I remove the vein. So I remove the most percent of nicotines. See, one by one, the leaf is without the vein, with the central vein. So I remove it to make and create these cigars organic, natural. Leaf free of the most percent of nicotines. You see? So look, one by one is made like this. Look. One by one is made like this. That's to balance the cigar inside. Three parts. Filler, binder, and the rope. Ladies, this is quickly for me. I've been doing this all my life. So I'm good with my hands, okay? That's why the Cuban ladies love me. I mean, I know how to clean, to cook.
To cook?
Yes, I'm good with my hands. Yes. Look. Ladies, I'm talking about clean and cook.
Clean, yeah.
Yes. That's why I have a skill with my hands. Look. Combustion leaf.
Ma quella è una sigaretta?
Secondo te? Sigaro.
Honey, the glue. Honey. The factory use maple syrup. Syrup de acero.
No, vabbè, non è vero.
Outside leaf.
This is like...
Ma è solo così, non ci mettono nient'altro.
How many leaves is it?
4 or 5 leaves, depends size and shape. If you want the biggest, more leaf. Smallest, less leaf.
About...
Ladies, the Cuban cigar is finished. Look.
Really?
Yes, I'm good with my hands, I told you.
But you do 1,000 of them.
In my life. I've been doing this since I was a kid.
2 minutes. See?
Like, un secondo. But it's easy.
And he was talking and then...
To roll it? I've been doing this since I was a kid. I told you, I have some skill with my hand because I've been doing this all my life.
It's your work.
Yes, it's my work. Okay? So this one now, not good to smoke, it's humid.
Sembra strafacile.
You free the leaf. It's good to smoke tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Now look,
Limp. Okay.
it's only cigar, okay? Yeah, because later you say, wow, the guy was talking. No, I'm not talking nothing. I'm quiet. Okay? With the penny honey to make it sweet, okay?
Is the tobacco for cigar different from the one for cigarettes?
Yes, this is black tobacco of the sun. For cigarette is blonde.
Ah, okay. So you have different plants?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here we only produce 4 cigars. So ladies, who's going to start? First one, smoking Cuban cigars. First.
First.
Smoke anything, so you don't smoke anything.
You never put something in your mouth before? I mean cigarettes, no?
I've only smoked something once. Let somebody else go first. I'm sick too.
So who's going to start? Italia.
Go for it.
Yeah, put the honey in your mouth.
Wait, what was supposed to do?
Put the honey in your mouth.
Put the honey on the mouth. On my mouth?
Tell the honey. Look at me. Honey. Look, honey.
See?
It's honey.
Okay.
Do it. Wow. Wow. Put him out. Just suck in and open mouth. Suck, open mouth. Very good. Don't swallow, don't breathe it. You don't have to swallow everything you put in your mouth.
But it's difficult. Smoke cigarettes, so it's difficult to not. You have the.
You are used to swallow?
Yeah.
You are used to swallow?
No, with cigarettes.
Of course.
So yeah, it's difficult.
So your boyfriend is happy with you? Yeah, normally the men want ladies who smoke cigars. Put him out. Very good. Italia.
Sì.
One for you. One for you.
Okay, so what do I do?
But I don't need
Just only put in your mouth and suck.
No.
But
You
suck-
need. I
suck
think it needs to
hard,
be
suck
like.
hard. Suck hard. It's like a giving kisses. Put in your mouth. Put in your mouth. Suck strong. It's like a giving kisses.
Yeah. I smoked it out in Amsterdam.
Buono?
Ooh.
No, no, only solo la boca.
Ma io ho aspirato.
Tu has aspirato?
We ain't coughing.
No, dangerous. It's organic cigar. You can inhale it as a cigarette.
Hai tu il ipocondriaco.
Alright, that's my one disease for me.
You don't like to smoke cigar, eh?
I don't smoke anything.
You just smoke nothing? Good, for special moments.
Yeah, that's why I did it. You gotta experience it. You look like those ladies that be hanging out in Havana.
Ma scusate, ma io ho aspirato.
Amore, non succede che
No importa.
Going to eat. Look at the chicken. The tobacco factory was super cool. So me and Paige got the chicken. I made a mess on the table. This is our first course. Sweet potato chips, or I don't know. Yeah, that's sweet potato. Sweet potato. And soup. Yum. And what is that? A Cuba Libre. So she's turning up, and it's raining. Gross. But we're inside eating. Course number 2, we got more chips because those things are banging. I don't know, vegetables and fruit. Frutas y, how do you say vegetables? Vegetales. Yum. And this is our final course. I got the chicken, some more soup, some rice and beans over there. Still our fruit and veggie plate, and white rice and beans. It's pretty good. It's raining, but we just left our lunch place, which is super good, as you can see. Rainier, our tour guide, driver guy, he brought us to the best view in Vinales. So we'll see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I was trying to figure out if it was real or not. That thing just scared me. Look how pretty. It's so green. This is not real. Doesn't this look fake? Just finished with our Vinales tour. Now we just checked into our new Airbnb. Got our welcome drinks. Yay!
Cheers on them.
Oh gosh, I'm wearing white pants, so I can't get them any more dirty.
It tastes so fresh. Gracias.
Good. So Paige and I have been sitting around the room chilling out. We decided we were hungry, so we hit the main streets to find something to eat. I don't know, we're at this place. I don't even know what that says, but that's where we are eating. Well, we just ordered. Paige is still contemplating, but getting us our dinner at, what is it, 9 o'clock? Yeah, 9:19.